To start playing music through the Rekordbox compatible CDJs in the club, you need to firstly download to your laptop or desktop computer the software called Rekordbox. This is pretty much like iTunes for DJs, is how I would describe it. So it's a way of managing your library of music and exporting that music to your USB stick. So head over to rekordbox.com and click on the download for Rekordbox, the latest version, which you'll see featured at the right hand. Once you've done that, you can click on the user agreement. Pay a bit of attention to the system requirements as well. Make sure that your system is compatible, so your laptop or desktop is compatible to run Rekordbox software. There are certain things in there, such as the amount of RAM, the type of chip, the OS you're currently running. Once you've done that, you'll see that this window pops up which asks you to subscribe to one of their paid plans. Now, you don't need to do that. You just need to download it, and you'll be operating what they call a free plan, which gives you the feature of exporting music to a USB stick. So the usual thing applies here. Just click through and install it to your machine, and I'll see you in the next video.